So I'm picking up today to work some more on getting the engine started. As I saw in some of those other video clips, I was able to get it running. It just wasn't getting in there quite well. The one time I did have it running really well, ran out of gas. I'm only putting a little bit in the tank at a time because I just want to have it get broken in. So what I did get started off today is set the static timing. I have the instructions on my blog, and I also did a quick video for how to set it. It's actually quite a simple procedure. And it makes sure that you got your timing set up, in this case with the distributor on the half EW that were set for top dead center, and that you've got the points set to just open. And you can measure that with the either with one of those test lights or with the voltage meter. So you've got those handy there. And just got everything all set up. So I'm going to give it a try and see what we can do here. So we're ready to go. Now I did just replace the fuel pump. The other fuel pump I had on here was an older one that came with the engine. The base was cracked and didn't think that was going to be safe for flying. So I replaced and put on a new fuel pump, so hopefully that's going to help out there. And now I'm still working with an old carburetor and the original distributor. Both of these look like they've had a tough life. So I've committed myself to go ahead and replace those so that I'll pretty much have everything new on this engine. It's the way to do it, and you'll be fine with it. So just FYI, be making those changes later on as I can afford it. So we've got ourselves started here. Go ahead and close the choke. Find the engine here. Got fuel dripping, so that's a good sign. And open. Power's on. The chocks are set. And the throttle is just cracked. Give it a couple of tries, see how we're doing. Oh, wow, good start. Wow, great. Static timing looks good. So I kind of flubbed it there to start with, but that was a pretty good start. So we've got power off. Let me go ahead and close that choke one more time. That's good. You see me reach down there to adjust the choke. Right now, the way I've got it situated here, the cable kind of flexes, so it's not working the way I want to. That'll be something I'm going to work on here. Once we get the engine set up, we won't need to use the choke so much. Okay, one more time. Wheels aren't chopped. Power's on. Throttle there. Open the choke. Give it a try. There we go. She wants to. Well, obviously the static timing is close, but we're not quite there yet. So I'm going to see if we can do some adjustments here and give it another try.